That right there is $10,983 in commissions from last month, and all of that came from GoHighLevel. And it's only one of the 5 ways I'm going to show you how you can make money online with this platform. Because in this video, I'm showing you 5 different ways to make your first $1,000 with GoHighLevel in AI. Some of these you can start this week with 0 experience. A couple of them are harder, and I'll tell you which ones so you don't waste your time on the wrong one. Now, real quick, here's why you should listen to me on this. I've been running my own social media marketing agency for years, and I don't want you to just take my word for it. So let me pull up my payment processor and refresh it live right now. There it is. A little over $5 million from clients in the last 12 months across 4,707 payments. That's roughly 350 active clients paying us around $1,000 a month each. I show this in every video because way too many people on YouTube teach business without ever showing a real number. All right, let's get into it. Starting with chapter number 1, sell a service. This is the most obvious path, and it's the one I tell almost everybody to start with. You sell a service to a small business, they pay you every month, and AI does most of the work. The service I sell is social media management, and the offer we're rolling out right now is $500 a month, flat. That's 30 posts a month, scheduled and managed for them, and it's handled through email and support tickets. So there's no one-on-one meetings eating up your calendar. Here's how we're making the content now. I use ChatGPT's work mode for the creative part. This is a real business. Seasons Yard Care out of Roswell, Georgia. I don't even have their website. All I've got is their Angie listing, 4.9 stars from 193 reviews, veteran owned, 14 years in business. And I hand ChatGPT one prompt with that link in it. The prompt starts with, I need an Instagram carousel concept board for a new brand, and then it tells the AI to audit that listing, learn the real brand, and build one coordinated board before it generates anything final. So you can pause right here if you want to read the whole thing, and if you want to copy it word for word, you can get all my prompts for free with the link in the description. But more on that later. 12 minutes later, this is what comes back. 25 slides in a 5x5 grid, all on brand, all built off their real proof points, the 4.9 rating, the 193 reviews, the veteran ownership. And every 5th slide closes with the same call to action, comment, yard. Now here's the part that actually gets you paid, and all of it happens inside GoHighLevel. I upload the whole month as one file into the social planner, and it reads 30 posts at once. Then I generate an approval link, and I send that link and a password over to the client. This is what the client sees on their end. Every post, one at a time, with an approve button and a reject button. They approve what they like, and when they reject something, they can type out why. This one, they wanted it moved to Labor Day, so it drops into a rejected filter and I go fix it. Plenty of apps will schedule posts for you. Almost none of them let your client review and approve the work before it goes live. That's the difference between posting for somebody and managing their account, and it's exactly why you can charge for this. Then there's the part most people never even sell. I asked the AI inside GoHighLevel to build me a conversation agent in 1 sentence, and it came back with the whole thing laid out. Instagram only, autopilot, and it only talks to people tagged as a social media lead who haven't booked yet. It set up the booking action. It sends the calendar link right inside the DM, and then it deploys to SMS, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, live chat, and the chat widget. And this isn't theory, this is my own account. Over 2 weeks, 40 conversations and 146 messages, all handled without me touching it. And down here in the appointment report, 162 appointments booked and 74 of them showed up. So the whole thing ends as a recurring invoice. Social media management, $500 a month, and it bills itself every month. And selling this isn't complicated either. Every one of these businesses is already on Instagram, they already know they should be posting, and they already hate doing it. You're not teaching them anything new, you're just taking it off their plate. Posting consistently also helps them get found. And that's not just Google anymore, because people are searching for local businesses inside ChatGPT now too. One thing though, don't sell it as AI. Nobody's buying AI. They're buying posts that go out every week and messages that actually get answered. Once the system is built, you're realistically spending 30 to 45 minutes per client per month. And that includes the review, the client messages, and the back and forth. So 2 clients at $500 gets you to your first $1,000 a month. Now let's move on to chapter number 2, build your own software. If I was starting over today with everything I know now, this is probably what I'd build. Let me show you the business I copied. It's called $99 Social, and they do done-for-you social media posts for small businesses. They've been doing it since 2012. They've published over 1.5 million posts, and they say they're trusted by more than 10,000 small businesses. Now look at what they lead with. Real humans, not AI. Their whole pitch is that most $99 a month services post AI slop on autopilot, and that they don't do that. That tells you exactly what the market wants to hear, and it's the same reason I told you not to sell your service as AI. And now look at their pricing, because this is the real lesson. Posts start at $99 a month for 10 posts. Then it's $149 for 15, $189 for 20, and $279 for 30. But that's just the post tab. There's a videos tab that runs from $99 all the way up to $629. There's an email tab from $149 up to $549. And their meta ads plans start at $397 and go up to $987. So the $99 on the sign is what gets people in the door. And once a customer adds a couple of those on, they're probably paying somewhere around $450 or $500 a month. And $99 social is just one example. I made a whole video called How I Make $361,287 a month copying AI businesses, and in it I break down 5 companies doing this exact thing on top of HighLevel. There's one built for insurance agents, one for course creators, one for med spas, and one selling AI voice employees. Some of them are running over 1,000 client accounts. I'll link that video at the end of this one so you can go see the whole list when we're done here. Here's the thing though, you're not writing software. You're renting software that already exists and putting your name on it. HighLevel calls this SaaS mode, and it's built right into the platform. Watch what happens when I go to create a new customer account. There's a toggle right at the top, SaaS account or regular account. And underneath it, there's 110 snapshot templates already built by industry. Automotive detailing, bakery, barbershop, bistro, bookkeeper, real estate, home services, appliance repair. You pick the industry your software is for and the account comes preloaded. Or you build it once yourself exactly how you want it and save it. This is me saving a real account as a snapshot called Garage Repair Companies. It packages up 51 assets from that account. The calendars, the marketing, the memberships, the chat widget, the contacts, the AI agents, all of it. And now every new customer who signs up gets that exact account in a couple of minutes without me doing anything. And this right here is where it turns into a real product. This is the size configurator. I've already got 2 plans in here, a standard one at $97 a month and a professional one at $197. I can open one up and change that price to whatever I want. So let me make it $297. Then I pick exactly which features my customers get. 2-way texting, missed call text back, web chat, reputation management, and then I can add on the social planner, the calendar, the CRM, invoices, funnels, and websites. I attach my snapshot to the plan so everybody who buys it gets my build. And down here in the rebilling tab, I set a markup on the phone system. Right now it's at 1.5 times. So a call costs me a little over a penny a minute. My customer pays about 2 cents and I keep the difference on every call they make. So your software could be one thing for one type of business. Social posting for barbershops, missed call text back for garage door companies. You set the price, you pick the features, and HighLevel runs underneath the whole thing. At $99 a month, 10 customers puts you at your first $1,000. And plenty of people charge $297 or $497 for the exact same thing because they're selling it as their own product, not as a HighLevel account. You just watched me package a whole client account into a snapshot inside HighLevel, and everything else I'm about to show you lives in there too. It's the platform I run my entire agency on and all of my clients. So if you haven't tried it yet, you can start it free with my link down in the description. And when you sign up with my link, you also get access to my community with over 100 video lessons, an AI prompt library, and a bunch of other bonuses completely free. And on price, don't let the software plans scare you off. Every plan starts with a free 14-day trial, and the starter plan after that is $97 a month, and it includes the AI agent I showed you a minute ago. So one client at $500 pays for your software and leaves you about $400 on top. A cheap scheduling app is $15, but it can't send a client approval link and it can't book the appointment for them, so it can't be the business. Here's your first day. Connect one Instagram account and import 1 month of posts. That's it. That's the whole first day. All right, now let's move on to chapter number 3. Become an affiliate. HighLevel pays 40% recurring commission on everyone you refer. Recurring is the important word there. You don't get paid once. You get paid every single month that person stays. There's 2 ways I'd go after this. The first one is to make something people actually want and then give it away. Here's the mechanic, running on my own account. This is a carousel I posted about how I get clients without selling, and the last slide says comment proof, and I'll send you my proof first outreach blueprint. Somebody comments proof and the reply and the DM go out automatically. Now swap that blueprint out for a snapshot or a website template or a done for you account for one specific niche. You built it once for yourself anyway. Now it's the reason somebody signs up with your link instead of somebody else's. The second way is what I'm doing right here. Make YouTube videos. This channel is at 41,700 subscribers across 128 videos, and all I do is teach the thing, show the screen, and let people decide for themselves. So let me show you my actual numbers because I think that's more useful than a screenshot of somebody's best month ever. This is my HighLevel affiliate portal. 4,938 clicks, 1,865 referrals, and 437 customers. $35,725 has already been paid out to me, and $10,983 is pending from last month. That $10,983 is my first $10,000 month from this, and it took me under a year of actually taking it seriously. Now, I want to be honest with you about this one. It's slow at the start. My first few months were almost nothing, but because it's recurring, the slow months stack on top of each other instead of resetting. At 40% of a $97 plan, that's about $39 a month per customer. So around 26 people gets you past $1,000 a month, and then it just keeps paying. All right, now let's move on to chapter number 4, technical support. Here's something most people don't realize. A huge number of agencies buy this software and then never actually set it up. They get overwhelmed. The account sits there half built and they keep paying for it every month. That's the opening. There's a whole company built on this called HL Pro Tools. Right at the top of their site, it says everything they learned from supporting 8,911 high-level agencies. They do the client onboarding, the support tickets, the workflow fixes, and the automation builds for other agencies. And the line they use is, "You stop being the help desk." That's the entire business. You can do a smaller version of that. And the fastest way in is an audit. Watch this. I asked the AI to review my sub account and tell me how my agency could make the most money possible in the next 30 days. It read the pipelines, the conversations, the calendars, the contacts, the marketing, the social planner, and the workflows. Then it came back with the problems. Every open opportunity in the pipeline had a dollar value of 0, so there was no revenue forecasting at all. The YouTube connection had expired back in May, so content wasn't posting. And one of the proposal follow-up workflows was sitting in draft, which means showed up deals were getting no follow-up. Then I asked it what fixing all of that is actually worth. It ran the math off my real numbers and it laid out a baseline of $14,000 to $18,000 versus $30,000 to $32,000 if I execute the aggressive plan. That's the conversation you get paid for. And you don't have to be technical to do the fixing part either. This is the build with AI feature inside the automation section. I typed out what I wanted in plain English, an Instagram workflow that replies to anyone who comments glow, sends them a DM with a free guide, and then hands the conversation to the AI agent. It thought through 70 different options, sketched a 4-step flow, and built it. The trigger, the keyword filter, the comment reply, the DM, and the AI handoff. So the offer is simple. You audit the account, you show them what's broken, and you charge a flat $500 to fix it and get it running. 2 of those, and that's your $1,000. All right, now let's move on to chapter number 5. Become a developer. Normally, I wouldn't tell a beginner to do this one. It's still the most technical thing on this list, so if you're brand new, start with number 1 and come back to this later. But AI has made building things easier than it's ever been, so it belongs on the list now. The idea is you build an app or an integration that people use specifically with HighLevel. A good example is a company called SendBlue. What they built is an iMessage API, so businesses can text from real blue bubbles instead of green ones. And when you scroll down to their integrations, HighLevel is sitting right there in the row. Now here's where it gets interesting. This is the app marketplace inside HighLevel, and there's 2,248 apps in here right now. And if I scroll, there's SendBlue sitting in that marketplace with 33,000 downloads. That's the whole point. You're not launching an app into nowhere and hoping somebody finds it. You're putting it in front of agencies who are already inside the platform every day. And when I filter down to just the top paid apps, there's 21 of them out of 2,248. So there's a lot of open room in here. On the developer side, you pick your pricing, you get listed, and you pay 15% revenue share on what you earn. So you keep 85%. You can charge a one-time fee, a subscription, or you can let agencies rebuild your app to their own clients. And here's what changed. AI builds most of it for you now. This is me inside AI Studio building out my own $39 digital product. It made the sales page, the checkout, and a customer access portal where buyers put in a code to get in. I didn't write a single line of code for any of that. So your first $1,000 here is a $39 product about 26 times, or one small app at $29 a month with 35 agencies using it. And the app is the one that keeps paying you after you stop working on it. Now, if I had to pick one for you, it's number 1. Sell the service first because it pays fastest and it teaches you what small businesses actually complain about. Everything else on this list gets easier after you've had one client.